Department of Public Instruction, Chikkanaikkanahalli. Department of Public Instruction, Chikkanaikkanahalli, Class 5th Standard, Subject English, Lesson The Boss Who Cares. Presentation. Competency, Past Tense Form. Dear children, do you saw this picture? This is rocket. The rocket built in ISRO. Do you know meaning of ISRO? ISRO meaning Indian Space Research Organization. Okay children, today we are discuss about the lesson The Boss Who Cares. At Tumba Space Center, there were about 70 scientists. They were all involved in developing rockets. This was an adventurous task, and this took a lot of time. There was so much of work that really made them restless. They worked right from morning till night, and sometimes they left for home at midnight. But they were all happy to work under their boss and did not think of quitting the job. One day, one of the scientists came to his boss and asked, "Sir, I have promised to take my children to the exhibition in town today. Will you please allow me to leave the office at 5:30 in the evening?" His boss replied, "All right, you are permitted to leave the office early today." The scientist was happy and started working. He was so busy working that he never even bothered to look at his watch. After the day's work was completed, he looked at the watch and it was 8:30 in the evening. He looked for his boss. The boss was not there, as he had told the boss in the morning itself. He closed everything and left for home. On the way home, he remembered the promise he had made to his children. He felt sad for disappointing them. He wondered how he would calm his wife. The scientist reached home. He found that the children were not there. He saw his wife sitting alone in the hall knitting. He expected that his wife would verbally jump on him, but she asked him calmly, "Would you like to have a cup of coffee? Or shall I straightway serve dinner if you are hungry?" He was surprised at this and replied, "I would like to have some coffee, and you too must have with me. Before that, tell me where the children are." She said, "Why, don't you know? Your boss came here at 5:15 and has taken the children to the exhibition." This was what had happened. The boss who granted the scientist permission saw him working seriously at 5 in the evening. He thought to himself, "This person will not leave the work, but if he has promised his children a visit to exhibition, they should enjoy." So he decided to take them himself. That's why all the scientists at Tumba work under their boss, even though the workload is too much. By the way, can you guess who the boss was? He was none other than Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Okay, dear students, here some new words are there. So listen and note these words. Tumba, a village near Thiruvananthapuram in Kerala. Space Center, a place where studies are conducted about outer space. Involved, engaged. Rocket, a vehicle used to put a satellite into space. Adventurous, daring. Quitting, to leave the job. verbally, orally by using words. Tumba, a village near Thiruvananthapuram in Kerala. Space Center, a place where studies are conducted about outer space. Involved, engaged, rocket, a vehicle used to put a satellite into space. Adventurous, daring, quitting, to leave the job, verbally, orally by using words. Dear students, here some opposite words are there. So now learn the opposite words. Never, opposite word of always. Remember, forget. Happy, sad. Finish, start. Quit, remain. Once again listen students. Never, always. Remember, forget. Happy, sad. Finish, start. Quit, remain. Dear students, here fill in the blanks with the correct verb forms of the words given in the brackets. Here in brackets some words are there, some words in present tense form. So we convert the past tense form. Dr. Abdul Kalam dash the President of India. To be is present tense form, its past tense form of was. Answer is Dr. Abdul Kalam was the President of India. Second one is under the leadership Dr. Abdul Kalam, India's missile program developed well. Develop is present tense form, its past tense form of developed. Answer is under the leadership Dr. Abdul Kalam, India's missile program developed well. Third one is Dr. Abdul Kalam say that the youth shall dream of a developed India. Say and shall both are present tense form. So say past tense form of said, shall past tense form of should. Answer is Dr. Abdul Kalam said that the youth should dream of a developed India. Fourth one is Dr. Abdul Kalam work hard as a student. Work is present tense form, its past tense form of worked. Answer is Dr. Abdul Kalam worked hard as a student. Last one is dreams must be fulfilled through hard work. Fulfill present tense form, its present tense form of past tense form of fulfilled. Dreams, answer is dreams must be fulfilled through hard work. Now time of homework. Dear students, here some statements are there. It's right or wrong you think.